So the fourth relationship type is many to many. So let's take an example. So we have two tables. The first one is developer table and second is the skill table. And a developer can possess multiple skills or multiple developer can possess the same skill. So for that, to do that many to many mapping, we will need a mapping table. So here you can see that developer 1, that is John, has 1101 skill, that is Java. Again developer 1 has 1102, that is Python. So John is aware of Java and John is also aware of Python. And in the next you can see 2 is connected with 1103, that means Matt is aware of Kotlin. So next 4 is connected with 1103 and 4 is also connected with 1104, that means Robert knows Kotlin and he also knows Go. So it is many to many relationship, which is denoted as n to n. So these are the relationships which are present in the entities or in RDBMS. So in the next video we will continue our journey of developing the next model or the next entity. So see you in the next video.